How to use CurrencyFair. Follow these instructions. Create a CurrencyFair account online and verify identity using a passport, ID card, or utility bill for secure access. Log in and choose Send Money, then select the currency you're sending from and the one your recipient will receive. Enter the amount you want to transfer, view the live exchange rate, or set your own preferred rate on the exchange board. Add recipient details including their full name, bank account number, SWIFT/BIC code, and country of the receiving bank. Send funds to CurrencyFair's local bank via transfer, PayNow, or other supported methods depending on your location. Currency is exchanged either instantly at the best rate or matched on the peer-to-peer board if you set a custom rate. Once exchanged, CurrencyFair transfers the money to your recipient's bank account, often within a few hours or one day.
Thank you for watching.